Dear viewers, welcome to ATS Mutual Funds. In this video, we are going to discuss the key differences between a multi-cap fund and a flexi-cap fund. Once you go through the entire video, you will be able to decide what is the best category for you to invest. Until 2017, multi-cap fund and flexi-cap fund almost have a similar asset allocation. But in 2017, SEBI came up with a circular on categorization of mutual funds. The main purpose of this circular is to bring uniformity in the characteristics of similar types of mutual fund schemes and thereby enabling investors in taking informed decisions by comparing the similar types of mutual funds. After the circular, a multi-cap fund should invest at least 25% in large cap stocks and 25% in mid cap stocks, 25% in small cap stocks, and remaining 25% is flexibly invested as per the fund manager's view. On the other hand, flexicap does not have any restrictions as such. Flexicap funds can invest freely across the market caps. Now, as we are aware about the structure of multi-cap fund and flexicap fund, let us check the key advantages and disadvantages of investing in each of them. Due to the consistent exposure towards mid and small cap stocks, there is an advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is during the bullish phases of the market, the returns are going to get boosted due to the exposure of mid and small cap stocks, while the disadvantage is less scope for the fund manager to rebalance the portfolio. Let's say mid cap stocks outperform the market in the last 3 years. Now the fund manager has to move the asset from mid cap stocks to large cap stocks. This is not completely possible in case of multi-cap funds due to the minimum exposure of 25% required in mid caps. The complete flexibility in flexi-cap funds also has an advantage and disadvantage too. The advantage in flexi-cap funds is fund manager can move the asset freely across the market caps as per his decisions, while the disadvantage is the investor of the flexi-cap fund is completely dependent on the decisions of the fund manager of the flexi-cap fund. Now let us check out what you should choose. Here there is a point to be mentioned on multi-cap funds. Multi-cap funds with the consistent exposure to mid and small cap stocks not only brings higher returns but also brings higher volatility to the portfolio. So if you don't mind volatility in the portfolio and your investment horizon is 5 to 7 years and you require consistent exposure to mid and small cap stocks, then you should choose multi-cap funds. On the other hand, if you don't want to restrict your fund manager in taking decisions and you want to give him a free hand in making investments, and your investment horizon is 3 to 5 years and expects moderate to high volatility in the portfolio, then you should choose flexi-cap funds. Thanks for watching the video. In case of any queries, please contact us.